YouTube, what's poppin', man? We going 2 for 2 on the day with videos, and this one is just like, I shouldn't even have to be talking about this, feel me? Like, it's crazy. I feel like people on YouTube, people on Instagram, all these waivers, man, like trying to bring their name up and trying to bring other people's name down. So, Sir Cruse, everybody is upset, or not everybody, but a handful of people, or maybe a little bit more people, are upset saying that Sir Cruse is bullying them. Y'all are corny. Yo, bro, if you upload content on the process of waves and your process is not good, or your process shows no progress on your head, then why are you upset if another waver who's doing it right is giving you criticism that's gonna help you better yourself? You feel me? Like, better your waves. And not to mention, you can't feel bad. Like, this is YouTube, man. Like, people are harsh. You know what I'm saying? If you can't take it from your comments, why are you getting, like, just don't do it. Just don't do it. If the comments is not for you, if the people reacting to your videos is not for you, just don't do it. You know what I'm saying? If anything, take it as a, you know what I'm saying, react to Sir Cruse. Like, react to his video and cut his ass. You know what I'm saying? Get back at him. You know what I mean? Like, his waves are not perfect. You know what I'm saying? They look really great. His waves are not perfect. You could say that he's doing certain things. Call him out for something. I don't know, throwing strawberry juice in his head. Anything. But to sit here and just whine and complain and all of this stuff, that's pointless. That's really pointless. I'm like, yo, no man should be your idol. You know what I'm saying? Like, that no man should be your make or break. You know what I mean? Like, do what you want to do. If you feel other people hate on you, then screw it. Hate comes with what we do here on YouTube. Hate comes with that. You post a picture on Instagram, you ugly, people gonna come at you. You post a picture anyway, people gonna come at you, bro. Everything is not perfect. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is. And I honestly don't feel like Sir Cruse came from a place of, I'm just trying to roast you. You know what I'm saying? No, like, of course the viewers, it brings in viewership, it brings in all of that. Reality is maybe your waves are not on point like that. You know what I'm saying? Maybe your brush sessions are not hitting like that. You know what I mean? Maybe what you doing on your channel is not hitting like that, and you need to get more experience. It doesn't matter your age, man. You chose YouTube. YouTube has haters. YouTube has critics. YouTube has trolls in every single genre of YouTube. No matter what your niche is. You could be a waver. You could be a sneakerhead. You could be an artist. You could be a freaking musician. Whatever you do, someone's going to hate on you. Someone's going to troll you. And someone is going to criticize you. Just keep doing what you do. And stop trying to say that somebody's bringing you down. If anything, that person just brought you massive amounts of views to your channel. That person just brought you new subs. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm like, it's just like, yo, we can't bring down somebody who's doing something. He's like, and I'm not defending him, you know what I'm saying? Could he have, you know what I'm saying, cooled out a little bit? Sure, why not? But at the same time, it's the wave game. Like, you go to a wave meetup and your waves ain't on point, you're getting roasted. You know what I'm saying? But it's love. It's all love. It's, yo, your waves are trash, bro. Like, this is what you need to be doing. You know what I'm saying? That's all that is. Like, and everybody trying to say Sir Cruse is a bully. Sir Cruse is a bully. He not. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't care if Sir Cruse came through right now, say, yo, Lottie, you pop. Like, you mega ugly. Like, your waves trash. Say what you want, Cruse. I appreciate the love, though. You feel me? I appreciate that. Let me hit this like button on this video. You know what I'm saying? And then let me make a reaction video. And let me get my views up. Because now it's time to eat. You know what I'm saying? So, that's all I'm saying. And, you know what I mean? You got other waivers who more established trying to say he's being... Cut it out. Cut it out. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, and I ain't even trying to sound bitter or nothing like that. I know I've been ghost on the tube for a minute just because of everything that's been going on in my life. But y'all are being extra corny right now. Like, all these wave beefs, like, bro, it's hair. Your waves garbage. Your waves are garbage. Like, it's facts. Like, my waves aren't perfect. I got a fork right here, and I got a fork right here in the back. It's nothing. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not gonna feel no type of way about another YouTuber commenting on my videos, you know what I do? I grind hard, I brush harder, and I make every YouTube video about Sir Cruse until my waves is lit. So that way, when he react on me again, my waves too lit. Say something. You motivated me now. Now I'm hungry. I mean, that's how I look at everything. Maybe I'm wrong. You know what I'm saying? And maybe I'm just ranting. But it is what it is, man. Like, I feel like, you know what I'm saying, at the end of the day, my waves is lit. I put too much time into it for people to tell me that my waves are trash. Negative. And not only that, if you got straight hair and you brushing with hard brushes and you doing too much stuff that you want to advance, you're not going through the correct process, you're trying to jump ahead, you're trying to do things that you shouldn't be doing, let somebody roast you and, you know what I'm saying, take all the good information that you got from that and go work on that process, because guess what? Now is a possibility that you can be better. Yo, Sir Cruz been roasting 360 Louis. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, him and 360 Louis, they have an understanding. Maybe Sir Cruz didn't know this kid from nowhere, but that kid could build a relationship with Sir Cruz. Not this way. You know what I'm saying? Not whining. You know what I'm saying? Like not other YouTubers coming to defend you. You a YouTuber now, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Man up. And like I said, I don't care about what nobody got to say to me, because I'm going to do what I want to do anyway. You feel me? If I want to brush my hair backwards and make my waves go backwards rather than forward, that's what I'm doing. If I want my waves, if I want to go like this, brush back every day, brush back and make my pattern go that way, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? If an Asian dude out here trying to get waves and he ain't doing it right, I'm roasting him too. Get your waves right. That's it. But do whatever you want. Like, it's YouTube, bro. Like, all that beefing is garbage. It's corny. All that trying to bring somebody else down who actually just helped you. Like, he didn't even have to make a video about you. There's no views. You have no viewership compared to him. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, bro, react to it. Use his name. Build your channel. That's how you do it. Use his name, build your channel. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Find flaws in his in his steps, in his methods. Find flaws in that, then build on that. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. It's just getting corny, man. Y'all already know what it is. It's y'all favorite waver's favorite waver talking right now. Me, Lottie, talking right now. That's it. I'm over this. Y'all know where to find me at, man. I'm either doing security or I'm at Champs buying sneakers and selling them because I work there. But whatever. Y'all know what it is, man. Also, anyway, man, I just want to bring mad love to this channel because, like I said, it's all about positive vibes, positive energy, man. And, you know what I'm saying? Y'all probably won't ever see me rant again on this channel like that. I'm just not really in a great place, so to say. So I just feel like it's trash, bro. It's definitely just trash to hear that, you know what I'm saying, and see people doing this and it's going through YouTube. Like, it's corny, man. The same way, you know what I'm saying, you got Poppy blasted with his product, you know what I'm saying, and I stayed quiet on that. You got Poppy blasted with his product. His product is lit, you know what I'm saying. It's another shea-based product, you know what I'm saying. Either you want to use it or not. Either you could afford it or not. Stop trying to say people is milking the game, because at the end of the day, everybody's out here posting pretty much the same content. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, if you don't have a side niche, if you straight waves, bro, everybody posting what you posting. How to brush your hair, what brushes to use, what products they using, how to tie a do-rag, how much compression do you need, what do you do before a haircut. So cut it out, man. Just cut it out, bro. Everything don't gotta be hate. You feel me? Like, if somebody reacts to your channel, man, take that thing as a compliment, whether it's good or bad, and you build on that. You know what I'm saying? You become somebody that needs to be talked about. Yo, your waves trash? Yeah, alright, say no more. Watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna brush my joints crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't even think it was right that Poppy Blasted had to explain why his product cost that much money. It didn't need an explanation. You know what I'm saying? Jordan don't explain why his sneakers are made for $2, but they sold for $2.20. There's no explanation for that. You know what I'm saying? Gucci don't explain why they manufacture their clothes with people, and them jeans is, like I said, $2 manufacturing warehouses, but they selling them jeans for $1,000 a pop. When I could just go and screen print Gucci on a hoodie, and you won't even know. Whether or not you ask me to look at my tags, I'm saying no. It's my shit. Fuck it, man. We out of here, man.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man. I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on no Uzi and show up, man. Them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing